Welcome to this tutorial on Python. Today I'll be showing you how to create a 1.6 million word multilingual dictionary. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to get the information. So we're going to be using dictionary files which I downloaded from a really great website, mostly made up of TXT files. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to import those and read those into Python. And then the third thing I'm going to do is export it back all together into a single file, ready for use. The final output will be available on my GitHub repository, so feel free to download it and use it however you'd like. And don't forget to subscribe if you like it. And check out more of my videos, because there are amazing, really great videos out there that you can really learn and benefit from. But back to this. So let's flip over to the screen. I'm going to zoom in. Not that far. Okay. So this website is called Karamasoft. Feel free to note it down. You type it into Google, and this is the page that should appear. As you can see, you've got different languages available, different countries, and the download file in question. So when you click download, you'll have a zip file appearing. Just remember to extract it to the place where Python environment can read it from. And then the final extracted files should look a bit like this, with every word on a different line. So I've done that a few times to get many different languages. You can do it however many times you want, including however many different languages. So let's go to the code and part two. Let's go to the code, and then let's go through a few different examples. So the first one, the file looks a bit different because you don't have to use Karamasoft. You can use other different websites, just so long as it's like a TXT file or a file that is readable and that you can import into Python. So first thing you're going to do is open the file, and then in a readable format in R, don't forget to include the extension, and then you have a for loop where you're going to append each value in that file to this empty list here. And now here, because everything is on a different line, and when you append it, it will append it together, you'll have a \n because it's on a new line. And that's how Python reads new lines. So you've got to get rid of that \n because it will interfere with your words. And so you just simply use the replace function to replace \n with nothing. So let's delete this, and let's go through that together. So if I want to import Afrikaans, F2 equals open, and then type in the name of the file, which I cannot remember. Oh, there we go. AFZA. Open AFZA.dic. So this is a dictionary file. So remember to have the right extension. And then we'll open it in read only. And then we're going to have our loop. So we're going to type in for j in F2 ml dict, which is this file here, dot append j dot replace and then \n with nothing. And that is it is as simple as that. Remember, these two should read the same, and these two should be the same. So when you're copying and pasting it for the many different language, remember to change these every time. Then once you're satisfied with the number of languages, you just keep repeating that. So I've done that a few times. And then the next thing to do is to print the length of the dictionary file of that if you want. That's how I know it's about 1.6 million words long. And then you've got to write it to here. So what you've got to do is create a blank txt file, and then you're going to do what you did here, but in reverse. So instead of opening this file and going through every line of this file and writing it to this file, writing it to the blank list, you're going to write every item in the blank list to a blank txt file. So what you're going to do is you've got to create a text file in writable format, not readable as above, and then you're going to loop through each item in this list and write it to this file, but you're going to add in a new line after every word rather than taking it away up here. So exactly the same as what you did up here, but in reverse. And then you just simply run it. You get the number of words here, and then let's go and see our file. So this is the blank one which I created, and then when it's populated it will look like this. It takes a while to open, there's lots of lines. And here we go, you see you have English, German, Afrikaans, French, Spanish, French, and so on. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out the GitHub, my GitHub repository for the output. And thanks very much for watching. Thank you.